I find it better if you put it with the toilet seat down instead of it being up. But it's pretty stable. It doesn't really move much. You have to make sure you tighten it to the height of your toilet, and then it's pretty easy just to take off, and then and then you fold it like that for easy storage. But I'm just gonna leave it on here because we are in the process of potty training my child. So, but for the most part, you know, just make sure it's against it. And yeah, I mean, it's on the floor. It doesn't move much, but yeah, I think it's pretty stable. Like I said, just make sure that you adjust it to the height of your toilet. But my son has already got on here, sat on here, and he's very happy and excited. So I'm glad that I got it. And since I have a boy, it does have the little thing right here. So yeah, but pretty cool. I love it. I am satisfied.
As you can see, this toilet folds down very easily. Very simple to pull up and down. It has the tripod here, which is more stable. I actually bought the other one that didn't have this tripod area, and that made it very unstable when my toddler was trying to use the toilet. But so all you have to do is lift the toilet seat up, and it literally will lay down pretty flat. And what's nice about this toilet too is that it adjusts here, so you can adjust for whatever toilet seat you have, and then it's very stable. But I thought it actually worked very well, and now he's actually able to independently use the toilet on his own.
The seat would work as intended if it came with 6 sets of screws instead of only 5. If you put weight down, you won't be able to keep the height of this. You have to be able to match the height of the seat to your toilet, and then you need to be able to adjust the step, as it says in the directions, to how long your kid's legs are. So it'd be great if it came with more screws.
I would give this first potty a 5 out of 5. I like how it's pretty sturdy, has the 2 steps, they have handles, you can remove the toilet seat for cleaning. Yes, it's pretty sturdy, and it can double as a step stool so that Toddler can reach the sink for brushing her teeth, and you can just lift it back up, put it back on the toilet. Again, it's pretty sturdy. This is a good first potty. I rated it a 5 out of 5, and it's easy to assemble.
That one's unstuck. That one's unstuck. That's on the toilet, it's done.
The floor looks dirty. It's pretty good. It holds itself too, which is nice when you just want to put it on the side there for a minute, you know, so you want to use the body. It's pretty sturdy. I like it. Well, definitely worth the money. It was not cheap. Yep. We're gonna use the potty soon.
This is pushed back all the way. I have a round toilet. If you have a little boy and he's not scooted back all the way on this, it will come out the front.